Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Is not touching to the dimension line. Is it clear? So this is an aligned system. And coming to unidirectional system. In the same way, the unidirectional system is nothing but the dimension value is exact middle of the line, and here the dimension line is breaking. That means 30 mm. So see here, in the dimensioning practice, there are two systems is there. First one is aligned system and the second one is unidirectional system. Okay. So in aligned system is nothing but the dimension value is always above the dimension line and exact middle of the dimension. Okay. And the dimension value is not touching to the dimension line. Here, aligned system of the dimension line is without breaking. Okay, so here continuous line is there. In unidirectional system, the dimension line is breaking. Okay, and here exact middle of the value is there and not touching to the dimension line. Okay, this is the unidirectional system. And next, so here some arrangements of the dimensioning is there. Okay, system of the dimensions is nothing but two types, and arrangements is nothing but first one is chain dimensioning, and second one is parallel dimensioning, and the third one is progressive dimensioning, and the fourth one is combined dimensioning. Okay, so these are the arrangement of dimensioning, Amma. Okay, so system of the dimensioning is nothing but two types. First one is aligned and the second one is unidirectional. These are the system of the arrangements. But here the four is there na, chain, parallel, progressive and combined. So these are the arrangement of dimensioning. Okay, so these are the arrangement of dimensioning. So already you know what is a chain. Chain dimensioning.
Yes, ma'am.
Civil and mechanical students, what is the chain dimensioning?
A continuous straight line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Continuous straight line. Okay, no?
And this is also for ECE students, madam. Could you please?
Yes, ECE students, but here ECE students ki manaki introduction కాలేదమ్మా. ఓకేనా, ఓన్లీ మీకు లెటరింగ్ వరకే కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి జస్ట్ నేను హౌ మెనీ టైప్స్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. Yes. Yes, tell me.
Introduction also completed but not telling deeply.
Okay. So here
Madam, we have to write this.
value or 30. It is expressed in appropriate units in a measurement and indicated graphically lines. Indicated graphically in lines is known as the dimensioning. Okay, na? Then
Tracking your voice, madam.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Madam, voice breaking.
as the dimensioning. So in dimensioning,
Your voice is breaking. Not properly, madam.
so here it is a signal problem is there. Okay, na?
Okay, madam.
one is parallel, and the third one is progressive, and the fourth one is combine. Okay, so here chain is nothing but continuous straight line, amma. Okay.
Your voice is lagging, madam.
So here parallel line. Parallel is nothing but what? One line is parallel to the another line. Okay, that means one dimension line is parallel to the another dimension line. Okay, so it is a parallel dimension. Next, progressive dimension. So here progressive dimension is nothing but here it is a starting from zero value. Okay, and here it is only one arrowhead is there. Already you know arrowhead dimensions. What is the arrowhead dimensions? Closed arrowhead.
Next,
1:3, yeah? 1:3. Okay, so this is the 1 and this is the 3.
1:2, 3, 2:6.
2:6. Okay, na? So here taking the 1:3 arrowheads, closed arrowheads. In chain dimensioning, the closed arrowheads is there two sides, and parallel dimensioning, the closed arrowheads in two sides, but progressive dimensioning, only one arrowhead. Okay, only one side of the arrowhead is there. Okay, and the value is near the arrowhead. Okay, na? The value is near the arrowhead. In combine, combine is nothing but what? The combination of both chain or parallel. Okay, combine is nothing but the combination of the both chain or parallel. Okay, these are the arrangement of dimensions. Okay, so now see one problem. So this is a question. One diagram is there. Okay, so here dimensions is there 25, 20, 20, 25, 20, 25 and 20. So first we find out the total length and total height of the diagram. Okay, so here 25 is the length and here also 25 is the length and here also 25 is the length. The total length is how much? 25 plus 25 plus 25.
75, madam.
Length is 7. And height, here 20 is there, here 20 and here 60. Very good.
60.
Okay. The length is 75, height is 60. Okay. This is the total length and height of the diagram. Okay. So now how to draw the diagram? So as per diagram, the same dimensions. Okay. So what are the dimensions is given in the question. So the same dimensions we draw the diagram. So here the length is 75 and the height is 60. Here length is 25. Length is 25 and here the length is, height is 20. 20 and 25, 20 and 25 and 20. The question diagram is totally completed. Okay. So in the question, redraw the following figure in chain dimensioning. Redraw the following figure in chain dimensioning. This is a question. And first we draw the total diagram as per dimensions. Then after we draw the extension lines. Okay. We draw the extension lines. Which pencil is used in extension lines?
2BH.
2H.
2H.
2H,
We draw
madam.
the lines. The extension lines are always perpendicular to the edge. Okay, by using 2H pencil. Now here we indicate the dimension. Okay, so how to give the dimension means, so here it is a chain. Chain is nothing but one continuous straight line. Okay, so first we draw the one continuous straight line. Then after we draw the arrowheads, both sides. We draw the closed arrowheads, Amma. We draw the closed arrowheads on both sides, and here the length is given. How much is there? 25. Here we indicating the 25 above the dimension line, and the value is not touching to the dimension line. Okay. Next, here also the length is 25 is there. How much is there? 25. And here also the length is 25 is there, and 25. Okay. This is the total length. How much is the total length? 75. Is it clear? Ikkada 75 manaki 25 plus 25 plus 25.
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
We draw the one straight line and we draw the arrowheads in both sides. Now we are indicating the how much here height is there? 20. And here also the height is 20. And here also the height is 20. Okay. So this is a chain dimensioning. Chain dimension is nothing but one continuous straight line, and the dimension value is above the dimension line and exact to the middle of the dimension line, and the dimension value is not touching to the dimension line. Okay. This is a chain dimensioning. See, observe once. ఆల్రెడీ నేను పెన్సిల్ తో మీకు డ్రా చేసామా, అది అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. See here, the diagram is by using the HB pencil. Okay, the remaining extension lines are by using the 2H pencil. Is it clear? This is the answer. Chain dimensioning answer. This is the question and this is the answer. Okay, next, the same problem, in the same question, we draw the parallel dimensioning. So parallel is nothing but what? One dimension line is
parallel to each other.
Okay, same here. So here is given, we take the sections. Here 25 is given, here we take the 25. Here length is 25 and here 25. Here length is 25, here 25. But in parallel dimensioning, the values are adding. Okay, no? The values are adding. So first of all, the as is problem diagram we can draw. So here the total is 60 and 75 length and 25 length, 20 height, 25 length and 20 height, 25 and 20. Okay. Then after we draw the extension lines by using 2H pencil. Okay. Now, so here how much dimension is there? 25. We draw the arrowheads and dimension line. Above the dimension is given 25. Next, here the length 25. Here also the length is there 25. 25 plus 25, how much is there? 50. See, the same extension line, Amma. The same extension line, the dimension line is passing. So 50. Next, here 25 completed and 25 plus 25 is 50 completed and remaining 50 plus 25.
75.
So that's we draw the dimension line and here indicating the 75. So this is a parallel dimensioning. See, observe, one dimension line is parallel to the another line and one dimension line is parallel to the another line. Is it clear? In same, in height also, we draw the extension lines. Okay, and here also we give the, we draw the dimension line, closed arrowheads. Okay. Now we give the dimension. The first height is how much is there? 20. And the next 20 plus 20, how much is there?
40.
40.
40. And 40 plus 20, how much is there?
60.
60.
60.
Is it clear? So ఇక్కడ 75 length and 60 height. Clear వచ్చేసిందా మనకి? So this is the process అమ్మా. చైన్ డైమెన్షనింగ్ అంటే వన్ కంటిన్యూస్ స్ట్రేట్ లైన్ మనకి. సో ప్యారలల్ డైమెన్షనింగ్ అంటే వన్ డైమెన్షన్ లైన్ ఇస్ ప్యారలల్ టు ది అనదర్ డైమెన్షన్ లైన్ అండ్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ హియర్ డైమెన్షన్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ యాడింగ్. ఓకేనా? డైమెన్షన్ లైన్స్ అనేది మనకి యాడ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది ఇందులో. అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఒకసారి నేను డ్రా చేసింది.
Madam, can you say one doubt, madam?
Yes.
Right, this is using by drafter, madam.
Drafter,
Right.
drafter. By using
Okay, madam.
drafter.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, in two problems, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
No, madam, it's clear.
Okay, now so first two arrangements are completed, chain and parallel is completed. Then the third one is progressive. Okay, in the same diagram. Okay, we take the same diagram and redraw the diagram, and in progressive is nothing but here it is only one side of the arrowhead, closed arrowhead, and the dimension is starting from zero value. Is it clear? See here, we draw the same diagram, height is 60 and length is 75, and here length is 25 and 20, 25, 20 and 25, 20. Okay, so now we draw the extension lines. Okay, so now we draw the dimension line. Okay, one continuous straight line, but here only one side of the arrowhead is there. Progressive is nothing but here it is only one side of the arrowhead, and here it is starting from zero value. Okay, and the dimension values are adding. Okay, see here it is starting from zero value and only one side of the arrowhead, and next here how much dimension is there? 25. So we give the dimension 25 near the arrowhead amma. Okay, middle kaadu, near the arrowhead. In chain dimensioning, parallel dimensioning, the values are exact middle of the dimension line. But here progressive lo manaki enti near the arrowhead 25. Next we draw the arrowhead. So here 25 plus 25, how much is there? 50 near the arrowhead, and next 50 plus 25, 75. We draw the arrowhead and near the arrowhead 70. Length is completed. In the same way we draw the extension lines. Okay, next we draw the one straight line,
dimension line,
and here it is starting from zero value. Okay, and only one side of the arrowhead. Okay, so you give the dimension 20 height near the arrowhead. So here 20 plus 20, how much is there? 40. And 40 plus 20? 60. So this is a progressive dimensioning. Okay, here it is starting from zero value and only one side of the arrowhead is there, and the exact dimensioning value is near the arrowhead amma. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, next.
निकाल दे फिर.
Combine. It is a combination of both. Okay, so it is a combination of both, is nothing but here it is using the chain and parallel. Okay na? So chain dimensioning and parallel dimensioning both are using combine. Okay, so see here we draw the same diagram, 60, 75 and 25, 20, 25, 20, 25 and 20. Then after we draw the extension lines. Okay, next we draw the dimension line. Chain is nothing but one continuous straight line, and both sides is arrowhead is there, closed arrowheads. Okay. So how much is given? 25. Here it is a 25 above the dimension line and exact middle and 25. Chain is completed. Then next here it is a combined. Combined means combination of both chain and parallel. So parallel means we draw the one straight line. Okay. So total height is how much? Total length is how much?
20.
75.
Yeah.
Okay. So here already 25, how much is there? 50 completed is there. Then remaining, how much is there? 25. So 50 plus 25,